Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is time to move on to lesson 4, drawing with loops. I hope that you are well. We are going to begin with a video.
You wouldn't even qualify for the race if you don't have people that are proficient in computer science because of how much data the cars collect and the necessity to be able to have people that can write programs to figure out how you can continue to build performance. In these puzzles, you'll be an artist that uses a pencil to draw different shapes, so wherever your artist goes, it will draw a line behind them. To move around the canvas, you'll use the Move Forward block. Here, the Move Forward block says move forward by 100 pixels. When we hit run, what happens? The artist moves forward a certain amount, and that amount is 100 pixels. Pixels are basically very tiny squares on your computer screen.
The other block we have in this puzzle says turn right by
90 degrees. And when we drag that out, that makes our artist turn a certain amount. So you can play around with how far you want the artist to turn. This is a 90-degree turn. And this is a 120-degree turn. And remember, you can change these values by clicking the arrows next to the numbers for pixels and degrees. Enjoy drawing with your artist.
Okay. Continue. Okay, so we just the number 2 level is just playing around a little bit. So just put some things in there, put some move forwards and angles in there. Have fun with it, enjoy, just play. Then click finish, and we are done that puzzle. We're going to go to the next level. Quite a simple one that says, let's make a cage for my pet monster. Drag blocks onto the screen to have the artist draw over the gray lines in the picture. So we're going to move forward by 100 pixels, turn right by 90, move forward by 100 pixels. Okay, really simple. If you remember that if you're watching this video while you're working, pause the video so you can get down, complete the activity. Okay, complete the level. Next one is a video again.
Here we're going to use the repeat block to help us save steps when we're programming our artist. We already have some blocks out on our stage.
Here we're going to use the repeat block to help us save steps when we're programming our artist. We already have some blocks out on our stage, but they're just there to get us started. To loop those blocks 4 times to draw the whole square, you just drag out the repeat block and put the move forward and turn right blocks inside the repeat block. When we hit run, the artist will repeat those steps 4 times to complete the square.
And she just told us what we're going to do, okay? So we're going to, you have these blocks already installed. So you're going to put the repeat block in, move forward, and turn right by 90 degrees. And hit run. I'm making a video, Mike. Continue. I'm going to start over. This one's just the same thing. We're going to repeat 3 times because it's a triangle. Then we're going to move forward by 100 pixels because it tells us. And then it tells us that the gray angle is 120. Hit run. Okay. I'm just going to keep on plugging along here. On number 7, this was definitely the most challenging puzzle of the day. The way we did it, we broke it in half. We want to try to get around to this point. So it tells us the long side is 150 degrees, 150 pixels, and each of the short sides was 75 pixels. Move forward by 150 pixels. We are going to turn right by 90 degrees, and then we are going to move forward by 75. We're going to test it out. So it's definitely not 90 degrees. So we're going to change it to 45. Let's see if that works. Okay, so that's better. We're going to turn right by 90. We'll leave it at 90 because it looks like a 90-degree angle. Move forward by 75 pixels. And then turn right by 45. Okay, so we have it. We have half of it. So we're going to put the repeat block in there. Change it to 2. Reset. Run. Continue. So they have this one already set up for us too. It says you can create the star by looping a sequence and move forward and turn right by 144 degrees. So of course we're using loops because the lesson is drawing with loops. Move forward. Let's just assume it's 200 pixels. Turn right by 144. I'm going to hit run. And apparently we need to do it one more time. That's it. Okay. Really quick, simple. Level 9. Now we've done these type of puzzles before. So it says each stair step is 50 pixels long and 50 pixels tall. You will need to turn 90 degrees in each direction. So since it's drawing with loops, I'm going to assume we're going to use the repeat loop. Move forward by 50 pixels. Turn right. So we're going to do this. And then we need to move forward again by 50 pixels. And then turn left. Okay. Now, out of all the puzzles we have ever done, this has got to be the simplest. It says this staircase is much bigger, but it takes the same amount of code as the last puzzle. Fix the loop to complete the puzzle. So we're going to change that number 3 to a number 6 and hit run. And that's it. I hope you agree that was the easiest one of all time. Now this puzzle, I'm going to start over. People that solve this in a different way. They put the loop in. Some people put a loop in there and changed it to 1 and added that in there. But that wasn't how we were supposed to do it. I gave people credit for it. I gave people credit for it because it was original, but what we were supposed to do is use the loop, change it to 8 times, and then we are going to put set width to 20, set random color, move forward by 80 pixels, turn right by 45 degrees. That was how it was intended to do. And if you did that, you are done. I hope that you get your work done, and I will see you next week.